Hi there everybody, it's UK independent demonstrator Halsey here from slimandstylish.com. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am in the middle of mass assembling some 3x3 Diddy cards, and I thought I'm just going to drop on and show you how I'm putting them together. So I've done a few already and I've got loads of supplies that I'm in the middle of playing with at the side. But I'm going to make one for you now, and it's using the brand new Basket of Blooms Photopolymer stamp set because I want to show you how to get this gorgeous double flower. It's also using the Stamping Your Way to the Top stamp set, which is a demonstrator only set, but it's a set that I love getting out and using because normally it is the set that I use to send my little gifts and thank yous to my team for. It's got all stamping and welcome to the team and all that sort of thing on it, so it's quite a happy set for me to get to play with, but unfortunately, as I said, it's only available if you are a demonstrator. Okay, if you want to become one, ask me how. So to start off with, I've got a piece of Whisper White cardstock. This is 2 7/8 of an inch by 2 7/8 of an inch. I couldn't work out how to say that. I knew it in my head, but trying to get it out my mouth was a completely different thing. And I've got my Memento ink pad, and I've got my stamps. So I've got Happy, Mail, and my little envelope. And I love that little envelope. It is the cutest. So I'm just going to stamp these up. So because it's Stampin' Up's New Year, well, it is on the 1st of June, I'm sending all of my team a little thank you gift from me for being part of my team. So throughout the year I set different challenges for my team, and if they meet them I send them rewards. But some of my team are hobby demonstrators, so they don't have customers, they just buy for themselves so they can get the awesome discount. I want to recognise them as well, so at certain times during the year I just send little bits of happy mail out to them all as a thank you. So this is what I'm doing today, and I've got all my parcels made up with all my little presents in. So I'm using this stamp set here from Basket of Blooms for this, and I'm going to stamp it twice, and you want to stamp it a little bit away from the edge because we're going to punch it out. And this is just some scrap Whisper White. I was happily chopping 2 7/8 of an inch, 2 7/8 of an inch, and I just kept going, so I've now got lots of scrap that's this size. I'm using So Saffron blends because I quite like the look of So Saffron and Coastal Cabana. I think it's exciting. So I'm going to use the dark one around the outside, and then I'm going to blend it all in with the light. So yeah, I've got quite a nice team of Stamping Bells. They're all lovely. We do challenges in our little group. I have a Facebook group. We all cheerlead each other's on, and it's quite like a nice little network, and it's quite sociable really. Like I said, some people are demonstrators where they are trying to make a business or have made a business, and others are hobby demonstrators that are simply getting the discount so they can make lovely things for themselves, and others do craft fairs and things like that, so they use the discount for that. So quite a nice little diverse group, and I think it's really exciting when I get to reward them. All coloured in. There we go. And then I'm using the punch. So this is the coordinated punch for the Basket of Blooms. This was available in Celebration, and it's still in the annual catalogue now, so you can still get it to go with this stamp set, and it's just such a cute little punch. So I'm going to punch both of these out. If you were thinking of joining my team, which would be great, I would happily welcome you, and we actually have a joining offer on at the moment, which I will tell you about. So I'm going to pop those two to the side. I'm actually going to stick them first so the glue can be drying while I colour in my envelope. So I'm just using my Tombow, and I'll pop a little dot in the middle of that one, and then stick this one on top so the bottom leaf or the bottom petals peep through. Okay. And dark So Saffron around the edges of this, and then colour it all in with a light So Saffron. So yeah, normally to join Stampin' Up, it's always been a great deal. You get £130 worth of product from the annual catalogue for £99. It's actually the best discount you can get from the catalogue. And you can choose whatever you want. Anything you like is available. There's no sort of, you can't have that and you can't have that. And then during June, we have a special promotion, which is allowing you to get a completely free bundle, which is amazing because some of the bundles are like 50 quid. So you could get the stamp set and the punch, or the stamp set and the dies, and you get that completely free on top of your £130 worth. So that's quite nice. Coastal Cabana cardstock. This is 6 inches by 3 inches, and I've scored it at 3 inches to make my little 3 inch by 3 inch card. So I'm just going to adhere this to the background. And the best part of being a demonstrator really is that there's no sort of, what's the word, constraints on to stay. So you can join, get that discount, get that offer, and then just, if you don't hit target, drop off or leave. It's really up to you. Or you can stay and try and make a business, or just get the awesome discounts. Small glue dot, not small glue dots, small dimensionals, and somewhere I've got my piercing tool. There we go. Because after you're a demonstrator, you then get a discount on all the products you buy, so it works out quite well. I'm just going to pop that in the corner up there. I'm pushing it down with the middle part of my paper piercer because it's on one of the little foam dimensionals. That's just making the leaves pop, so instead of sitting straight, they're kind of looking a bit fluted. I love that word, fluted. Rhinestones, and this project has made me realise that I need more rhinestones, so some of my team are going to have to have alternative little embellishments on their flower. And there we go. There's my little 3x3 card. I was going to put in the middle What a Dazzling Demonstrator or Handmade by Your Biggest Cheerleader, but because they're 3x3, I actually want to write a little message as well. So I thought I'm really going to struggle to fit all that in. But I like 3x3 cards because they're cute. And I knew that they wouldn't be paying attention to the card, they'd be paying attention to the goodie of the actual set that they're getting through the post. So there you go. There's my Happy Mail cards. Thank you for joining me today. If you have got any questions on becoming a demonstrator or joining my team of Stamping Bells, just let me know and I'll happily answer them. And if you did like this set, it's Basket of Blooms and the coordinating punch, and they're available from my website, so slimandstylish.com. Go up to the header, click buy, and it will take you to my store. If you've liked this video, do subscribe for others, and thank you for joining me. Bye.